Welcome back, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. This is Hasina Afroz, Assistant Professor of Milestone College, Department of Home Science. Today, I am going to start a new lesson on Chapter 7. It is Child Development and Family Environment. Our today's lesson, you can learn why does a child need suitable environment for his development. Breastfeeding to the child is the great beginning for bondage with mother. Father's role in creating conducive environment. Steps to make ties with children. Give adequate time to the child. Let's start the details. Attachment of children with parents. All families love their child, but many of us have wrong conception about child rearing practices and do not know how to give him suitable environment. Many of us do not know that exchange of feeling is very important for first few years of child's life. Listen. Exchange of feeling is very important for first few years of child's life. Within how many years after birth the basic foundation of a child's built up? The foundation for the development of a child is built in the first 5 years. Look at the question. Why does a child need suitable environment for his development in the first few years of his life? Let us talk about a plant. When the plant germinates from seed, it remains weak. The survival of the plant depends on proper care and nursing. Once if the root of plant is steady in soil, later without special care, the tree will grow. Just like that the care and nursing for the first few years in the life of human child makes the foundation for later life. The first 5 years after birth begins the basic foundation for the full development of a child. During this period, the physical care and intimate communication with people around him are necessary. Warmth response helps him to achieve new skills. The child who gets conducive environment in early life for his development, he becomes more intelligent, more social, and acquire good health than others. His social skills, skill of language, creativeness, self-confidence, etc. develops, which help him to become happy and nice in late life. Mother is the first and important person for development of attachment or bonding with the child. Breastfeeding and different types of nurturing by mother are the great contribution of mother in the development of child's physique, mind, and emotions. Some of the steps to make ties with children. Look, The steps to make ties with children are breastfeeding within 1 hour after birth. Response as quickly as possible to the cries of child. Sleep closely with the child. Give adequate time to the child. Breastfeeding within an hour after birth. In many cultures, gold is considered as valuable. Bronze is valueless in comparison to gold. In place of mother's milk, the artificial milk for the child is valueless like bronze against gold. Breastfeeding within an hour after birth is best beginning. Recently, in some research, finding it was clear that breastfeeding 1 hour after birth and attachment of first few days between both mother and newborn grow a deep bondage which continues to flourish and remains permanent year after year. After birth, breastfeeding is important for sound health and better living for a child. During feeding, the touch of mother's skin gives warmth. This condition is especially important for the child whose weight is less than 2.5 kg. The child starts sucking mother's milk. As a result, love of mother increases to the child. So, breastfeeding within an hour after birth is best beginning in the life of a child. Colostrum as a first food for the child works like a first vaccine. Which is the first vaccine for the child? Colostrum. Colostrum have various immunological active cell antibody and other protein rich curative food which prevents from any contagious disease. First 5 days, colostrum of mother's milk releases in a small quantity, but this amount is enough for safe physical protection of neonate. It stimulates the digestive system of the child. Which is stimulates the digestive system of the child? Colostrum. As a result, meconium releases from intestine quickly. What is meconium? Meconium is first stool of infant. This condition helps to release germs of jaundice from the body of the child. During breastfeeding, hormone like oxytocin of the body of mother releases. So mother feels quiet and free from stress and bondage of love becomes strong with child. What is oxytocin? Oxytocin is one kind of hormone. With this first communication with child, the mother becomes very much glad. This way, the process of bondage between mother and child begins. This way, only mother's milk is sufficient for first 6 months for the child. And after 6 months to 2 years, mother's milk can be given along with supplementary food. Look, What is the father's role in creating conducive environment for a breastfeeding mother? To feed breast milk to the child, mother needs a conducive environment. To create this environment, the role of father is much more. He can help the mother in different ways. Make arrangement of necessary foods for the nutrition of mother. Make opportunities to keep the mother and child together. Help mother in essential work at home. Help mother to take care of the elder child of the family. Be sympathetic to the lactating mother. The father keeps role in making bondage indirectly with child through his works. Response as quickly as possible to the cries of child. Usually, children express their needs and discomfort through crying before development of language. In babyhood, the child usually cries for two reasons. These are due to hunger and any type of discomfort. Giving foods when the child is hungry and making arrangement to remove physical discomfort. For example, not to keep the child in wet bed, clean bowel properly, take correct measures for stomach pain, etc. Give comfort to the child. If the child can sleep with comfort, parents respond quickly while crying, take him on lap, then the child trust and sense of security grows towards parents. On the other hand, when the discomfort of a child is not removed timely or the child does not feel comfort, then feelings of mistrust and insecurity grows. Lack affection, care, and love creates mistrust towards parents, and at the same time, the child develops mistrust, insecurity, and frustration regarding environment. So, we should respond as quickly as possible while the child cries. Sleep closely with the child. Why? Different type of needs of a child are to be fulfilled at night like daytime. To sleep at night with parents is one of the needs. In the first few years of the life, it is necessary to sleep with the child, so that mother understands the needs of the child at night and it becomes easy for breastfeeding. Besides that, presence of parents near the child at night creates a safe environment for the child. Every child wants to be near the parents before going to bed. This is very common feature before schooling. Many times, elder child wants to tell his parents about their activities of the whole day. Give adequate time to the child or children. How? Children usually depends on mother for food and different types of physiological needs. If father also helps for these needs, the dependency on mother decreases and attachment grows with father. If you have to give adequate time to the child, you have to do play with child, sing song, recite rhymes, storytelling, which develops social skills and intelligence of a child. Getting out with the child. From outing child, achieve experience about outside. Take child in family works. For example, watering in the garden, clean house, etc. So, the child can trust himself about his skill. Other than these, keeping the child together for more times with parents for first few years of life. Physical contact, love and affection, etc. is create bondage with parents. If parents give more time and love to the child, their bondage will be strong, and this bondage helps to keep the good relationship with parents in later life. These are your today's classworks. What is meant by colostrum? Why does a child need suitable environment for his development? Why it is necessary to respond as soon as possible while the child cries? Then look at your homework. Read attentively and learn the lesson properly. Thank you. Goodbye.